Good day everyone! I am Kimberly Jean T. Lorion, a nursing student. Today I will be sharing how I applied the 6 ethical principles in my interaction with patients during my clinical duties. First is the veracity, which means telling the truth during my duty. I ensure that I provide accurate information to patients and refer questions beyond my scope to my clinical instructor or our staff nurse. Being honest helps build trust and confidence. Second is autonomy. I respect each patient's right to make decisions regarding their care before performing procedures such as taking vital signs or conducting assessment. I introduce myself, explain the procedure, and ask for their consent. Third, which is the beneficence, which means doing good for the patient. I demonstrate this by providing compassionate care, responding promptly to the patient's needs, and ensuring their comfort and well-being during my clinical exposure. Fourth is non-maleficence, or do no harm. I carefully followed nursing procedure, infection control protocols, and medication safety guidelines to avoid causing harm to the patient. Fifth is confidentiality. I protect patient information by not discussing their condition with unauthorized individuals and by maintaining privacy during assessment and procedures. Lastly, which is the justice, means treating all patients fairly and equally, regarding of age, gender, social status, or medical condition. I provide respectful and unbiased care to every patient assigned to me. These ethical principles serve as my guide in providing safe, compassionate, and professional nursing care. As a future nurse, I will continue to uphold these principles in all my interaction with patients and their families. Thank you and have a wonderful day.